Welcome to Valentine's special video. We have decided to spread our love by making a cute little innovative drink that is love potion. So check it out. Ingredients required for love potion are soda, strawberry crush, cream cheese and vanilla ice cream. First we'll take 1.5 tablespoon strawberry crush. In that we are going to add half tablespoon cream cheese. In that half scoop vanilla ice cream and 1 cup soda. Now we are just going to blend this together. I'm going to serve our drink in this cute little jar which I have tied it with a ribbon and a tag saying love potion. Make this for your loved ones on this Valentine's Day and give them a surprise. And this is ready. Our love potion is ready. For such cute little innovative recipe, do subscribe to our channel Simply Jain. Happy Valentine's Day to all my viewers.